Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on setting up closed captions on PlayStation 5. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the dashboard of PS5, move to the top and then go to the right until you get to Settings and open them. In Settings, select Accessibility. In Accessibility, select Closed Captions from the left. Now enable the checkbox to display closed captions. You can now customize the settings for closed captions on your PS5. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PS5 tips and tricks.